Hi my beautiful subscribers, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, my name is Mas and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video we are showcasing a stunning collection of plus size mother of the bride dresses that are sure to make you look and feel amazing on your daughter's wedding day. My beautiful viewers, if you are new here, I want to tell you in this channel you will see 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. Our featured dresses are designed with breathable fabric and flexible style thoughts to keep you comfortable throughout the day and night, so you can dance and celebrate without any worries. My beautiful viewers, if you are new here, I want to request you please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fashion related content, and watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Join us as we explore the world of plus size mother of the bride dresses. So my beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, stay tuned for some fashion inspiration and idea on how to look you best in this season. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident regardless of your size. Embrace your beauty and let these dresses help you do just that. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion content and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and family members and feel free to leave any question and comments down below. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. My beautiful viewers, you can see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. You can buy these dresses in any online store. So I request all of you again, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fashion related content. Each dresses in this video is not only trendy but also designed to flatter your curves and keep you comfortable. We will provide you with these styling tips and suggestions on how to accessorize these outfits to make them uniquely yours.